The first thing, breakfast. We have £1.15 to start the day with. £89p, 89, 99. So there you go. Can I grab a receipt as well, please? Yeah. Got expensive. 69p for a cronut. I've never had a cronut in my life, so we're gonna try it today, and that's our breakfast and over half our budget for today, which is a little stupid, but it's part of the game. Now for lunch, I'm going to do something that I used to do a lot when I was homeless, and that was go and have tasters from shops. So we're gonna go and find some and eat a load of tasters, so we're not hungry for lunch. Boom. Baking potatoes, 20p. Print. Here we go, we have some beans for 28p a can. We also have some reduced sugar and salt. Now, currently I have to be cautious with saturated fats. So, I can have that one. Can I have this one? I can have that actually, so that's not the worst. Okay, cool. Okay, let's get a bigger one. We'll get a 28p one, and we can reuse that on another day as well. Awesome. 28, 20, 48p, 20, 30, 35, 46. I only have 46p. I can't actually afford both of these. So I'm going to put these back and go to another shop and see if I can get some cheaper beans. If not, I'll come back for the 25p ones. Not sure where all this free fruit has gone. It used to be here. You used to be able to get them in Tesco's all the time, but it's gone. The free fruit for school kids, the apples, the oranges, bananas, they're all gone. I'd love to get in that. Okay, I wasn't a child when I was getting it, but it's still.
Don't forget to scan or tap your club card.
I got to put the bruschetta on the wrappy. This is so good. £89p for meatballs, but I'm vegetarian, so it doesn't matter for me. We have 26p. 26p. So it's a seasoning, 19p. Okay. Okay, that's a good shout, but we do have the Kuiz paste from yesterday still. So 50p, 70, 50, 35, nothing. £19p. Okay. I think these spaghetti hoops for 19p is the best I'm going to get. Can't see any like little tins of beans or anything, so only the big one. So spaghetti hoops, 19p. I think the worst bit about this is I've never eaten spaghetti hoops before. I don't even know how to cook them. We'll work it out. 19p though. It's not too bad. So we had 15p left from yesterday, which is a total of £1.15 for today for 3 meals. I overspent this morning on a cronut at 69p. I won't be getting one of those again in this challenge. That's 69p gone. We then bought a potato for 20p. And then after that, we picked up some spaghetti hoops for 19p, which is a total of 69, 79, 89, 99, £1.08p, which leaves us a total of 7p left. So tomorrow we're going to go in with £1.07p. So now it's time to cook the jacket potato, and we're going to be air frying it, so hopefully it'll be good. There's 4 minutes left on the jacket potato in the air fryer, so now it's time to cook the spaghetti hoops. Now, I had to ask a friend how to cook spaghetti hoops because I've never had them. So, first time for everything. I think it's going to be a bit too much carbs, the hoops and the potato, but it's worth a shot. Now, this is a big tin, so I'm only going to use a little bit of it. It was 19p, and if they're good, I can save the rest for myself or for my son. So, let's give it a shot. I just need to open it. Right. Spaghetti hoops. I was told to put them in a bowl and put them in the microwave because apparently that's the quickest way of cooking them. You can do them on the hob, but either way, I'm going to chuck them in a mug. Not too many. I don't know how much. I've never had spaghetti hoops. I have no idea. I'm going to chuck some of the Kuiz paste, 25p, from yesterday's video. Might as well use it. Hopefully adds a little bit of flavour. 2 minutes in the microwave. Jacket potato. 20p for a potato. I feel like it's been cheaper, but then again I used to get jacket potatoes with butter for 79p in Wetherspoons back when I was homeless, so you know, they're not too bad. This is really good stuff. You have no idea. If you've never had this before, I highly recommend you get some. Now this doesn't look too bad by itself, to be honest, but I do have the spaghetti hoops to chuck on it. I don't know what spaghetti hoops are like, so we're going to try them together. 20p jacket potato, 9p burrata, which the equivalence is quite a lot less. 19p for spaghetti hoops, and then we have some Kuiz paste, which was 25p. We have a little bit of that mixed in, and we've got a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, which we got for free, and some butter, which we got for free. I've also pulled over one of the mayonnaise sachets just in case it's a little dry. I have no idea. Sometimes I like to mix mayonnaise into sauce, and I don't know, it might mix well with the spaghetti hoops. So let's give this a try and see how this is for dinner. Alright. The potato is slightly undercooked, but the butter works well with it, the burrata works well with it, the salt and pepper mix works well with it. Let's try the spaghetti hoops. Again, I have never had spaghetti hoops in my life. They taste like Kuiz paste. They just taste like the seasoning. So I've obviously used a little bit too much seasoning, but it's alright. It's alright. You know what? I'll scoop a little bit of this on. Just to show, you know, it's not too bad. Okay. This is really good. This is really good. Right. This has been excellent. I have very much enjoyed this food. So, tomorrow we have £1.07p left. How exciting for that. So, make sure to tune in tomorrow to see how we spend it. How am I going to spend it? I have absolutely no idea. Can we live on £1.07p tomorrow for this £1 a day series? Yes. Yes, we will. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, what you will think will happen tomorrow. I have no idea. See you then. Goodbye. Adios, my mis amigos. Drink water. Holy